You're experiencing it. Your exams are coming up, and there are so many subjects to study for. Maybe you're a teacher struggling with engaging your students and getting them through studying those key quotations and analysis for their GCSE English exams. GCSE exams can be a daunting challenge for students and teachers alike. With so much content to cover, it can be difficult to know where to start. The students lack requisite study skills to study independently. Or could it be there is a lack of engaging resources that tap into students' interests, meeting them in their world based on what they find interesting? You need resources that use the elements of games to make learning English content more enjoyable. It's important to revise regularly and stay on top of your studies, but finding engaging resources can be a struggle. Traditional revision methods like textbooks and flashcards can quickly become boring and unengaging, leading to a lack of motivation and poor results. Learning multiple quotations and keeping track of plot details can be a pain. That's where GCSE English Gameplan comes in. Our website offers a range of interactive games and activities to help students learn, revise, and retain key content. It's like a trusted study buddy that helps to increase student engagement and productivity, and making learning accessible to all students regardless of their entry points or progress. Our games cover various topics from Shakespearean literature to grammar and punctuation. With fun and interactive challenges, students can reinforce their learning and stay motivated through their revision journey. What's more, with the increasing concern about limited attention span, yet students spend hours sat in front of a computer screen playing games, why not tap into what they do best? With GCSE English Gameplan, learning is not limited to the classroom. So whether you're looking for a solution to the long, tedious intervention programs, or you're looking for a study buddy that will help you focus and learn English in a fun and competitive way, GCSE English Game Plan is your solution.